If you thrive on hard work and making a difference, you understand that not every job fits the bill. At Kinsley Construction, we offer more than just employment opportunities. We provide careers where you can make a meaningful impact. Here, you won't just operate equipment. You'll unearth new opportunities. You won't just fabricate material. You'll forge the future with your skill and precision. You won't just work in an office. You'll keep our organization running smoothly. You won't just build buildings. You'll build communities that will last for generations. You won't just repair equipment. You'll maintain the momentum of our daily operations. And you won't just get construction done. You'll get construction done right.